कांचनपुर के ब्रू बस्ती के निवासियों की ओर से एक विशाल रैली का आयोजन किया गया। केंद्रीय सरकार और त्रिपुरा सरकार की ओर से अभी भी उनको उनकी जायज मांगे नहीं मिली है। इसी के चलते उन्होंने कांचनपुर SDM को डेपुटेशन सौंपी।
According to the agreement, we are not supposed to come here. According to the agreement, we are supposed to be settled in the selected location. But today, why we came here? Some of us we may ask the question. The reason is that the government of India and the government of Tripura has neglected us, and we are lagging behind other communities. So we have so many demands today. Demands that is not the new demand. That is our rights and our authority we get from 25 years. But after the agreement was signed, and we think that our problem will be solved, but till today, our problem has been remained unsolved. And all of us, we may have seen in our placard also, number one, our demand is that our cash doll has been distributed by the government of India from